Travel and Leisure magazine voted San Miguel de Allende the best tourist destination in the world.
It is so beautiful and so photogenic here, excellent for photography. And that's why we've been creating the most amazing photo workshops since 2008. And we want to invite you to learn photography with us. I'm Mark Hemmings, this is James Wilson, and we hope that you will watch our video so you know what we do during our week-long workshops in the beautiful San Miguel de Allende, Mexico.
My name is James Wilson. I'm a fine art photographer and I teach photography here in San Miguel de Allende. San Miguel is an amazing place. It's a special place. I've been coming here for more than 10 years now, and I get drawn back here every year. What I really enjoy is the excitement I see in my students' eyes when they first experience this place, San Miguel.
San Miguel is very interesting. The skies are fascinating, especially in the evening. The sunsets are spectacular in this city. There are many wonderful rooftop restaurants that we visit, also some overlooks where you can see the whole city. It is a superb location for photography and filmmaking. Architecturally, this place is amazing. There are doors here that are over 12 feet high, like they were made for giants. They are incredible. They're usually made with old wood that had been finely carved by master artists. The architecture is a feast for the photographer and the filmmaker. We were on the rooftop the other night, and spectacular views, getting some nice shots of the city in the evening. We looked in the other direction and we saw a group of young people learning traditional Mexican dance. We were so happy to witness this color and joy. It was a cultural experience that could not be duplicated. One thing that you will find when you're walking through the park or the center, or any place actually, especially in the early evening, is that the children are having a great time. They are everywhere. They are running and playing and laughing. They're just having a lot of fun. And it is really enjoyable and heartwarming to see them running around with their parents and having a great time.
San Miguel de Allende is a curious mix of Mexican adobe architecture and Spanish colonial architecture. This makes for dynamic interior and exterior photography and filmmaking. We spend a lot of time in the workshop taking our students around the narrow cobblestone streets, up and down the hills, and every corner that you turn, there is an opportunity to make a great photograph.
Every year we seem to find some place that has old colonial ruins, and they are really fascinating. They have this old, faded glory that we really appreciate. We always take great photos in these places and film wonderful scenery for our travel movies.
On our first day, one of our first stops is Juarez Park, and there is always a flower show happening at that time. It is so beautiful and especially enjoyable if you are coming from a cold climate. Not only is San Miguel good for architectural and textural photographs, but it is a great place to photograph and film people. The Mexicans are vibrant. The city is alive with all kinds of locals milling about. Around the parroquia, which is a beautiful pink church, in the center of the town there is a jardín, where whole families come out in the afternoon and evenings to socialize. It is a great opportunity to photograph people.
So, we would love to have you join. We make great friendships here every single year. The food is amazing, the restaurants are world-class. We're staying in a nice villa, it's a lot of fun, the weather is perfect, and church bells are everywhere. It is delightful. You don't need to be a professional photographer. Beginner is fine. Even if you're a poet or a painter, this town is wonderful. It is great for all artists or all people who are aspiring to any artistic level. We would love to have you.
Como el canto